Today I attended Smyrna Business Association live networking event, and I was explaining to the business owners that money is energy. You know, this is a truth that I've uncovered over the years. Money is energy. And you want it to flow easily, freely, and effortlessly, playfully to you. Receive it and then share it easily, freely, effortlessly, and playfully. Money is energy. It circulates. It comes to you and it goes from you, and it comes to you and it goes from you. Now, how is it doing that? Is it easily, freely, effortlessly? Or does it feel restricted, anxious? Ugh. Oh God. It's energy. And that's how I work with myself and my clients. I implore us to feel our connection to that money. The other day, I had a client write a letter to money. May seem weird, right? But again, it's energy, and what's your relationship to that energy? How do you feel about it? Are you happy when you receive it? Are you happy when you need to pay a bill? I know you're happy when you got that internet. I know you're happy you can watch that TV. I know you're happy you're in your nice warm home when it's cold outside, or blasting the AC when it's hot outside. You like that. You received that from the electric company, and now you joyfully and equally enjoy giving them freely the exchange, which is money, for that nice warm comfort that you experience. It comes in, it goes out. It comes in, it goes out. Easily, freely, effortlessly.